Come all you boys and gather round, I'm sure the time has come. For many times you've asked me where I've been and seen and done, but now I'm old and tired, no more use. So yes, Grant worked in a lot of things, and growing up around Walton, of course he was no stranger to lumbering and stone cutting and the railroad, because of course, you know, the main line of a real major railroad used to come right straight through Walton. He heard lots of people as he was growing up singing their songs that they had written about working in the woods around here. He was quite a musician himself, played at lots of the local dances, and he learned lots of the popular music of his day and was going more and more toward that. And he wound up getting hooked up with Camp Woodland and working down there. And he saw people who were honoring the elders and their old-time songs, and he realized how important it was to collect some of that before it all disappeared. And, you know, being a songwriter and a song maker himself, he was thinking about those lumbering songs, and he figured that he could do a pretty darn good job of making a lumbering song of his own. And here's the one that Grant came up with. Come all you boys and gather round, I'm sure the time has come. For many times you've asked me where I've been and seen and done, but now I'm old and tired, no more useful will I be. I was born in that good old Garden State in 1863. Grant was not just a songmaker, he was a storyteller. I've always marveled at that last verse, how he fit, more than a century's worth of technology in that last verse. To me it's just the same, but you must have a handle if you're looking to be paid. Says I'll take me wages to the name of Pat McBraid. In me 50 years of logging, I've seen a mighty change. From river rafts to steamships and motor trucks and trains. If there's a moral to the story,